It's Thursday night, and this means just one thing. It's Live Lounge. St. Luke's Sound live in the Bradford studio, supporting local bands and singers in and around the Yorkshire area. Get ready, here it comes.
It certainly does. Good evening and a very warm welcome. My name's Carl. This is the evening show, St. Luke's Sound, and it's Live Lounge. And we have in the studio Graeme. How you doing? You okay?
I'm great, thanks.
Fantastic, fantastic, great interview. I just love what you do. You're just a man of many talents. It's incredible, incredible. But so you're going to sing the first song for us. What's the first song?
The first song is a song called "Follow the Heron Home" by Karine Polwart. She's a very north of Scotland singer-songwriter.
Fantastic, awesome. I'll leave it to you. Enjoy.
The back of the winter is broken, and light lingers long by the door, and the seeds of the summer have spoken in gowans that bloom on the shore. By night and day we'll sport and we'll play and delight, as the dawn dances over the bay. Sleep blows the breath of the morning away, and we'll follow the heron home. In darkness we cradled our sorrow and stoked all our fires with fear. Now these bones that lay empty and hollow are ready for gladness to cheer. By night and day we'll sport and we'll play and delight, as the dawn dances over the bay. Sleep blows the breath of the morning away, and we'll follow the heron home. So long may you sing of the salmon and the snow-scented sounds of your home, whilst the north wind delivers its sermon of ice and salt water and stone. By night and day we'll sport and we'll play and delight, as the dawn dances over the bay. Sleep blows the breath of the morning away, and we'll follow the heron home. By night and day we'll sport and we'll play and delight, as the dawn dances over the bay. Sleep blows the breath of the morning away, and we'll follow the heron home. We'll follow the heron home.
Fantastic, thanks, Graeme.
Thank you.
Playing the very best music that's allowed on the air. Carl Mott live in the Bradford studio. This is St. Luke's Sound.